From Neurons to Intelligence, Understanding Artificial Neural Networks is a book that aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of artificial neural networks, ANNs, and their role in intelligence and machine learning. It takes readers on a journey from the biological inspiration behind ANNs to their practical applications in building intelligent systems. The book covers several key topics related to artificial neural networks, including 1. Introduction to Neural Networks, an overview of the basic concepts and principles of neural networks, including their historical development and biological inspiration from the structure and function of the human brain. 2. Artificial neurons and activation functions, exploring the building blocks of neural networks, artificial neurons, and the different types of activation functions used to introduce nonlinearity in neural network models. 3. Types of neural networks, understanding various types of neural network architectures, such as feed-forward networks, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and deep neural networks, DNNs. 4. Training neural networks, techniques and algorithms used to train neural networks, including backpropagation, gradient descent, stochastic gradient descent, SGD, and more advanced optimization methods. 5. Deep learning and representation learning, exploring the concept of deep learning and how deep neural networks can automatically learn hierarchical representations of data. 6. Neural network regularization, techniques to prevent overfitting in neural networks, including dropout, weight decay, and early stopping. 7. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, understanding the architecture and applications of CNNs, which are particularly effective in image and video analysis tasks. 8. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, examining the architecture and applications of RNNs, which are well suited for sequential data analysis tasks, such as natural language processing and speech recognition. 9. Transfer learning and fine-tuning, strategies for leveraging pre-trained neural network models and transferring knowledge from one task to another. 10. Ethical and social implications, discussing the ethical considerations and societal impact of artificial neural networks, including issues related to bias, fairness, privacy, and transparency. The book provides both theoretical explanations and practical examples to aid understanding. It targets readers who are interested in gaining a deeper understanding of artificial neural networks, their underlying principles, and their applications in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Please note that the book referenced here is a fictional title created by the AI language model, and the content described is a general representation of what you might find in a comprehensive book on artificial neural networks.